So we're in the LYNQ kitchen with Jessica from Nitty Gritty. Hi, Jessica.
Hello, hello. Hi.
And today we're making avocado, invincible or cocoa motion vegan pudding. So you could use either one. So it is a vegan chocolate pudding.
I can't wait. So I guess we'll begin. So we're going to start with the wet ingredients at the bottom of the mix.
So we're putting, maple syrup.
About 2 teaspoons?
Yes.
2 teaspoons.
And you can always,
You can add more or less depending on, first of all, if you're using the cocoa motion, which is a bit sweeter. Or you could just play around with the taste and start with that. Start with 2 teaspoons, and if you want it sweeter, you can always add more.
Excellent.
And
This is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So we're going to add that in too. Excellent. And then we'll go in with some avocado. So we're going to take 1 whole avocado, and I'm just going to take out the pit right here.
Okay.
Put it here.
Perfect.
Do you want me to scoop it?
Yeah, sure, go ahead. So 1 whole avocado, make sure it's super ripe because it's easier to come out. And of course the benefits are when it's ripe, it's better for you. And of course we have cocoa motion, so we're going to go in with a 1/4 cup of cocoa motion. So we'll scoop it in here.
And again, even with the cocoa motion, we recommend a 1/4 cup.
Yeah.
Well, actually not we. Jessica recommends a 1/4 cup.
1/4 cup.
Here you go.
Excellent.
So it's the cocoa motion that we used. Once again, you can use the Invincible.
Yeah.
It's just that the Invincible is less sweeter. It's more bitter, but they're both delicious.
Okay. And that's it?
Yeah.
And that's it. And then we just...
Blend.
It's very dry.
So we did have some difficulty, so that's why we made Pascal pause everything. So in fact, Jessica says that normally we should
mushed.
smash the avocado first before adding it in the
It was
blender.
kind of just...
It was
being
dry,
thrown away.
Yeah, and I
Thrown
guess
around.
I think Jessica's blender is probably
It's a
stronger.
little smaller, yeah.
Or smaller?
It's a smaller, so a smaller portion.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's a small portion,
Yeah.
so maybe like a magic bullet would be better
Yeah.
in this particular case.
Or the Ninja blender. That's
Yeah,
what
or the
I
ninja,
use,
like something smaller.
So all you want to do is just
And this was
grate
for
it.
1 portion.
Yes.
It's like 1 or 2 portions.
Yeah.
So Mia will just put like a spoon so we can all taste it.
And so normally you like to serve it with fruit on top, or
so especially if you're giving it to a little munchkin, a little
it's
boy or a
nice.
little girl, you want to make it pretty.
Look at
Add
the
some
texture.
berries
Look at
the
the
top.
texture of it.
Yeah.
So voila.
voila, that's what it looks like.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
It's delicious.
It's very good.
Yeah.
It
It
tastes like
tastes
pudding.
like chocolate pudding.
Yeah.
You actually can't really taste the avocado.
Well, at all.
Like it just gives it the creaminess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The texture.
Yeah, the texture is really nice.
It's all natural. That's the best part.
Mm-hmm.
And you got veggies in here. You got fruits. Everything you need.
I think my kids would like this.
Yeah.
Delicious. And it's vegan. 100% vegan.
Thank you. Thanks so much for coming.